Hi everyone. On the 1st of September 2018 onwards, if your company is exemptions from registration of SST, please refer the video below as your reference. For instance, you can go to GST, tax code maintenance, double click on any tax code is defaults on your output tax or input tax. So right now I would like to uncheck the default tax code for my input tax. Just highlight on this row, double click, uncheck the default buttons or the checkbox right here, press OK. And the same step I will repeat again under my output text. So my SR0 now is default, double click, uncheck the defaults and press OK. So make sure no any tick defaults under these columns. Now I close this page. Now I go to AR, debtors maintenance. You can check on your debtor maintenance, press edit, click on the others. Make sure no any default text codes put on this GST. Make sure it's blank. Click save and close. Again, I would like to go to AP, creditor maintenance. Highlight on the creditors and press edit. Click on others. Make sure no default GST text code inside your creditors maintenance. Click save. Close. Now I go to stock item maintenance, and make sure no any default text code inside your item maintenance. Try to click edit. You can check right here, supply text code and purchase text code. Make sure it's empty or blank. Press OK. Close. Okay, the last one possible you will put the default text code is under GL, account maintenance. You can check under these two columns, input text and code and output text code. Make sure no any account numbers right here is put in default text code. To change, just highlight on the account codes and press edit account. Change the input text code or output text code to blank and click save. Okay, and close this page. Now I go to general maintenance, company profile. Under logo and report header, highlight on GST ID number, right click, delete. Just delete the GST ID. All the others, company name and address, phone number should be remain. Press OK. The last step before we go to start on 1st of September printing invoice, you need to change all the related billing to non-GST. To do so, you can go to the billing. My sample right here will use invoice. I click on invoice, report, design document style report. Choose the default invoice as you use right now. This is my samples. I highlight on my default invoice, click on design, then click on file, save as, put at the date 1st of September 2018 and click save. So after save, now we can start to do the amendment for these invoice patterns. First, double click on these text invoice boxes and highlight on the text boards. Use the keyboard delete button, delete the text. Now you can see one more box right here is a text code field. Just click on here and go to the right hand side boxes as appearance, pull down the bar and looking for the words right here called visibles. Change the visible from yes to no. Then again, Click on the second box right here. This is tax code field also. Click on these boxes and change the visibles right here from yes to no. And pull down again the page bar, go to bottom. Right here you can see the subtotal excluding GST. So you can use your mouse, click, highlight on these four fields. Okay, after highlight these four things, same thing, you go to visibles right here. From yes, change to no. Okay, then and at the bottom one, you can see the GST summary boxes. You use your mouse to point right here. You can see the plus buttons right here. Just highlight on it and point it. System will highlight the boxes, the big boxes right here. After highlight the big boxes, go to right hand side, visible here also. From yes, change to no. Then here you can see the total inclusive of GST. Double click on these boxes and highlight on the bracket inclusive of GST. Then press on your keyboard delete buttons. Just give it the total words remain. After complete the changes, click on File, click Save, and close the page. Close. Now we're testing to create the new invoice on the 1st of September. Call the debtors. I change the date to 1st of September. Item code I choose from here, item 1. Quantity I put 1, price I put 100. GST code will be empties right here. Try click on save and preview and choose the report full tax invoice on 1st of September. Press OK. Now you can see the invoice is already changed. No GST number and the words changed to invoice. And bottom, no any GST information. That's all. Thank you.